What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, if you ready to make some money this week, let me know down in the comments below. As always, I got a jam-packed video for you guys, so please keep it locked. Please make sure you like, subscribe, help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Guys, you already know Sundays is by far one of my favorite days of the week because it means we're moments away from being able to get back in our bag and do what we do. I got Tesla pulled up here, guys, to kick it off. Matter of fact, I'm not kicking it off with Tesla. I got the SPY up, guys. Check this out. Already, it is down $1.11. This is something to take note of that I want you guys to pay attention to in pre-market, okay? The market is in a area that could be a potential trap. All right, so normally I like to come out the gate and set the tone for the week, but this week I'm setting the tone by telling you to be on your A game in terms of risk management. Okay, guys, number one, all right, be ready, be open, and be willing to make money in both directions. That means if we go down before we go up, you guys got an opportunity to take advantage of that, okay? Let me know if that's understood. Right now, we got the SPY sitting at 593. Guys, 590 to 592 is going to be support for tomorrow. Okay, long as we are above that, we're good for a move back to the upside, okay? Write this down, 590 to 592. If we are above that, okay, so you can go down a little bit, but you need to watch and react to what happens at 592, okay? And then 590, you need to see, like, do we go lower? Do we go to 589? Do we fall from 589 to 587? So on and so forth. Or do we go to 590 and then bounce right back to 593? Those are things you want to be mindful of because it means a lot. Okay, if we hold 590, then we got a chance to go retest 600, 601 on Tuesday. Okay, this is how the game go. All right. However, if we don't, you need to be prepared to pivot. That's why I need you to be flexible and nimble on this journey. Okay, that's the SPY. Okay, guys, keep it simple this week. You got 2 days, Monday and Tuesday. Then you got New Year's, the market will be closed. Then you got Thursday and Friday. But Monday sets the tone. Next, guys, is Tesla. Now, this is good to see. It's running out of nowhere because this was just down to 428. Okay. And so this is already back up $1.34. Okay. So you're going to be in a short-term $10 range tomorrow. Everybody write these levels down. To the downside, 421. To the upside, 441. Okay, you guys need to see which side of the game they're playing on. Are we going from 431 to 441? Are we staying in that range, or are we below 431 and around 428, 429, and we're going down to 421? Do not overcomplicate the game, guys. I want you guys to learn how to keep it simple. When you get too cute, when you get too fancy, guys, that's when you start making mistakes. One thing about me, and one thing that attributes a large part to my success, I keep it simple. I keep it simple. I keep it fly. I keep it simple. I keep it sweet. We ain't doing nothing extra, and ain't no need or reason to do too much. Keep it simple. Run the bag up in both directions. Take that to the bank, guys. This is 433. This is good to see if this is going to actually be something. Okay, so again, if you wait the first 30 minutes, at least 15 minutes, okay, 30 you good, but at least 15 to 30 minutes, Wall Street will always show you their hand so that you know the proper way to trade the stock for that day. And guess what, guys? If in doubt, sit it out. You don't have to take a trade. You are not obligated to take a trade every single day. If you don't see a setup you like, go ahead and sit it out. If you around here, we don't swing at pitches we don't like. We do not swing at pitches we don't like. And say you can let Let it go until you see something you actually want to take advantage of. Something that you see a clear cut. Oh, I see this look like it's trying to do this. I see this look like it's trying to do. Oh, based on what I see on the chart, I think this move is coming next. Okay, and then do your work. Do your chart work, guys. Chart it out. Okay. Don't go at this blind though, because now you're gambling. We don't do that around here. We do not do no gambling. This ain't get rich quick. This ain't gambling. And so if you're not ready for that, you got to get up out of here. Okay. Then, guys, the only play I'm liking this week is PLTR, okay? The one that got the best chance, possibly, I should say. I hesitate to even throw that word out there. If we can get this down to 76 this week, I can see us bouncing to 78 and then back up from 76 to 80 to 84. Okay, I like that move. 76 back to 80 to 84. That's a nice little life-changing move just within that little move, if we can get that. Now, they came down as low as 78. Okay, that's decent to see too, because we in a good spot right here too. We can go from 78 back to 80 to 84, and I'm okay with that move as well. But 76 is support. 76 is a more crucial level of support that I like. And if we can hold that area, we can get busy back to the upside. But guys, before you jump the gun, wait for confirmation. Before you jump the gun, wait for confirmation. Meaning you need to make sure your levels hold. You need to make sure the levels don't fail. You need to see that some buyers are stepping in, some momentum is coming into the game. Okay, all these things needs to be part of what you are looking for, okay? You can't just go at this blind. Matter of fact, if you need to, guys, before you learn how to trade, you need to get some one-on-one coaching. I'm gonna make it plain. You need some coaching. You need to watch the free videos. You need to do all of the things to get you prepared. Don't just think you're gonna jump on a 0 to 100K challenge and you gonna make it all happen for yourself without knowing and having no understanding of and no concept of how to trade, how to buy, how to sell, how to put a stop loss on. If that's you, that's okay. You just gotta put the work in. We gotta build your foundation properly, okay? And on the journey, guys, some goals gonna be to get your first 1,000. Some milestones gonna be your first 10,000. Your first 25,000, your first 50,000, your first 75,000, and ultimately 100K, okay? Run your race at your pace. Shoot for your milestones with where you're at on your trading journey, okay? The rest will take care of itself, okay? Making money is what we do. So you guys just need to learn the skill that I'm gonna teach you each and every day, all right? So make sure you tapped in, make sure you lock in. Listen, guys, everybody be in the Discord first thing in the morning. Everybody else consider joining the money team this week, guys. I told you, with me, I don't care nothing about no holiday, no half day, no none of that. We get to the money. We get to the money. And so if you're ready to make some money tomorrow and Tuesday, definitely make sure you in the Discord and or on the money team, okay? But then guess what? After we come back after Wednesday, we gonna finish the week with a bang. And so if that sounds like a plan, guys, let's get to it. Let's get to it. Bring your A game tomorrow. Be smart, be sharp for coach, okay? Listen, guys, we gonna get up out of here, okay? Be on your P's and Q's tomorrow for me, all right? We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. You feel it in the air? The feeling of emptiness. The week leading up to New Year's, people are not working, not making plans, no trading, no investing, or not even looking at the market. And you are probably doing the same thing. This week before New Year's, you often reflect on the past year with inactivity, lack of routine, and holiday pressures. You're uneasy and slightly depressed, trying to focus on the current moment. It's amazing how heavy and unlikable reality can be. You can spend time thinking how you're going to make next year count. Imagine having all your goals outlined and achieving every one of them, escaping your 9 to 5, paying off all your debt, and finally generating daily income. She up 67%. She took this from $14.90 to $25. 67% over $1,000 on a day. She bought it today and sold it today. This is what I'm trying to tell you guys when I talk about the ability to replace your full-time income. Will you finally take advantage of all the blessings God has given you and work towards something that matters? Or are you going to let this year slip away again? Join the money team now.